Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I've got a really unique print-on-demand video for you here, and this is all about print-on-demand puzzles. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how to sell personalized print-on-demand puzzles with Shopify. And this is an incredible product. You see an example on the screen right now. You literally allow the customer to upload a photo, and then it gets turned into a puzzle, right? Literally, they'll get shipped a puzzle. All the puzzle pieces are cut out, and when they put it together, it's going to create that photo that they uploaded. Incredibly powerful, incredibly customized, really high perceived value because of this personalization. And I'm going to show you exactly how this all happens with print on demand. But first of all, I want to describe what is print on demand. And I want you to understand that, in my opinion, it's by far the best business model that's on the internet right now. You get to sell hundreds of different products like t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, all different types of apparel, home decor, posters, wall canvas, even these really cool print-on-demand dolls, right? Of course, you could also sell these cool puzzles that I'm going to show you. All of these different print-on-demand products you get to sell without ever touching, without ever ordering up front, without ever dealing with shipping or fulfillment or storing them in a warehouse. You don't need any employees. It all happens on demand, and it literally describes itself in its name, right? Print on demand. Print means produce, right? It's going to produce the product. On demand, well, in e-commerce, that means when the product is ordered. So these products will be produced after they're ordered, and that should be the light bulb moment for you. That's why print on demand is so great. You get to sell products that don't exist, collect payment on them, and then all of the rest of the work is automated by your print on demand company. Here's exactly how it works. You're going to have designs for your print on demand products. You're going to then add those products into your store, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that over the shoulder later in this video. Once those products are in your store, of course, a customer can come in and, just like any product, they could order the product and pay for it. Best part of this business is right here. Our job is done. We collect our profit, we sit back and we relax. There's nothing else for us to do. And you might be thinking, well, what about the actual product? What about the shipping? What about getting it to the customer? That, of course, happens, but we don't play any part in that at all. As soon as the order comes in, we get paid, and the print-on-demand partner automatically receives the customer information, the order information, what did they buy, what size, what design, etc. That all happens automatically behind the scenes, and then your print-on-demand partner creates the product, ships the product, and even provides the tracking number to your customer on your behalf. You literally have nothing that you need to do. It's incredibly powerful, and this is just how print-on-demand works. That's why it's the best business model online right now. And in terms of puzzles, this just takes the print-on-demand strategy to the next level. As a print-on-demand entrepreneur, you always want to be looking for unique, new, intriguing products. And to make that even better, every single puzzle can be personalized by the customer. So by definition, every single product that you'll offer here, every single puzzle that you'll sell will be 100% unique to the customer. That's the power of print on demand plus personalization. And on top of that, there's zero risk, right? Because with print on demand, you have no upfront product cost, you have no inventory, you have no storage fees, you have no warehouse. All you need to do is try out new and exciting products and personalized products. They're always new, they're always unique, they're always intriguing, they're always customizable, and they're always 100% specific to the customer, which is going to lead to a high conversion rate, not to mention a higher perceived value, because people will obviously pay more for a puzzle with their own photo on it than they would a random, puzzle design of a nice, a nice outdoor scene or whatever. Right? Personalization creates that higher ticket value, means you could sell the product for more, but the cost is the same. So how do you sell personalized puzzles? Well, inside the Tsunami print-on-demand app, we're going to go over the shoulder. You can find it at podapp.justinsenior.com. And the Tsunami print-on-demand app does all your traditional print-on-demand, but on top of that, it allows your customer to personalize the design or the product right inside your store. And it's a simple 4-step process. We're going to do it over the shoulder, but you're going to install the Tsunami print-on-demand app. You're going to go to the products section of the app. You're going to find the puzzle section. And then you're simply going to add the puzzle to your store and promote it just like you would any other product. And literally right inside the store, we're going to customize a 25-piece hardboard puzzle. Literally, you see the jigsaw pieces, they're going to get that traditional puzzle just like any other puzzle, except it's going to have their own design, right? This purple image will be replaced by whatever image they upload, fully controlled by the customer, all done automatically with print on demand. So let's go over the shoulder. You're going to use the Tsunami app to do this. Again, you see the link over there, podapp.justinsenior.com. Let's go build some personalized puzzles. So you're looking at podapp.justinsenior.com, and this is the Tsunami print on demand app, totally free to install. And once you install it, you'll be able to access it right over here in your backend under apps in your Shopify store, and we're inside of the product section here. You can see there's a ton of different products as we scroll through all these different collections, hundreds and hundreds of different products, all print on demand, all personalizable. And we're going to come in, of course, find the puzzles section. And there will be more products added in here throughout. They're always adding new products, new categories. But here is that jigsaw puzzle that we're talking about. You see the pricing over here, $14.58 or $11.46 if you are using the premium, which I highly recommend. You're going to get much better margins, much better pricing. So we'll come over here, and this is the one-page product creation. It's incredibly simple. Everything is set up right over here. And what's really specific to Tsunami, really the best part, is that they have these three different types of print on demand. Standard print on demand is just where you're going to upload a design, right? This is your traditional stuff, no personalization, kind of the the traditional print on demand style. Pre-design, this is what we're going to do. We're going to allow the customer to add things on top of an existing design. And in some cases, we could even offer this, allow the customer to create their own design just by simply uploading a photo. In fact, I'll show you this one because this is the most powerful. But they all work the same way. It really just depends on what type of design. These last two are going to allow the customer to customize, either customize a pre-design or upload their own photo. And this could be something where you can create a pre-design like a background or some type of element that they could add things on top of. For example, they could add text, they could add their own image, or you could just allow them to literally upload an entire photo. So we'll do that over here. We're going to give a title over here. So we'll just give a little instruction in the title as well. Personalize it, upload your photo, and turn it into a puzzle. We can come over here. If you're using my three-part product description, that's where this would go. But you basically just put in the product description here. Use some good marketing, some good angles, tell a story, etc., etc. Over here, you're seeing your shipping cost. Over here, you're seeing the pricing. Again, we could charge a bit more because this is a customized, personalized piece of print on demand. 2085 by 2085, that's the size of your print. Not going to matter much because we're using fully personalizable, but if we did a pre-design, we'd want to create our design to be 2085 by 2085 to fill this big square. We're going to go fully personalizable over here, and really not much else that we need to do. Set the pricing, set the description, set the title. We will now publish it into our store, and I'm going to show you, see it immediately is done. So we're going to go and look for that product, and you're going to see how the customer sees it. This is just a little demo store here that I got a bunch of different products in. Here is the product that we just created, print on demand. And in a traditional store, right, you might see and actually I'll show you, there will be products or add to cart buttons next to your product, typically. But this is not your traditional print on demand product, right? Here's our add to cart button. Here's our personalized button. Why? Because we need to personalize this. And we can include some more instruction over here in the description in terms of exactly what to do. But you'll see we're going to come over and press personalize. And now we're going to get a pop-up. And literally they're showing what's going to get printed. This is the best part about Tsunami. They can make the personalization live right in front of them. So they could add text, they could add image. In this case, they're going to add an image, so we'll go ahead and add a photo. So you just click add image, then you click the upload. Okay, the image is uploading, and again, this is what the customer is going to see. They're going to add their image. You see that I've added this funny little cat image over here, and we place it, and it fills up this spot automatically. You see the little sections over there for where the jigsaw is going to cut, basically how the puzzle pieces are going to be created. But this is the actual product, and you see there's really nothing else for the customer to do except add it to their cart. So we go over here, add the product to cart. Another really cool part about this is that when the cart loads, they're actually going to see their finalized product. And you see I have something over here from a previous video, but here is personalize it, upload your photo and turn it into a puzzle, and here is that cat image that I uploaded. And over here actually you see a personalized t-shirt with my name on it. So they actually see the product that they're going to get. Huge increase in conversion rate once this was added, because they're not just seeing a generic preview, they're seeing the actual personalized product. So of course they can then go ahead and check out just like any other product. This will be sent right into print on demand automatically. You'll collect your profit and there's nothing else that you'll need to do. That's how powerful the Tsunami Print on Demand app is with all of these different personalization or personalized products. So definitely check it out. Get into personalization. You could charge a bit more for it. See the link directly below this video for the Tsunami app. Hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you real soon.